Let's get started with the first AutoCAD assignment. First thing we're going to do is open AutoCAD. If you don't have it open already, you're going to click on the Windows bar down here. You're going to type in Auto, A-U-T-O, and you're going to click on the AutoCAD program. When you have it open, the first thing we're going to do is create a new document. It's going to look like this. So we're going to go to the New File button, which is right here. And it's going to give us a inspector window. We're going to select AutoCAD as our template we're going to be using for every single project and hit open. The first thing we're going to do is save to the web. We need to save our file. We're going to save it to the web so we can go on any computer in the future. We're going to type in the command save to web. You can just start typing, or you can click down here and type in save to web. When you hit enter, it's going to give you this pop-up. We're going to name our file. We're always going to name it with the same format, which is our last name, underscore our first name, underscore the name of the assignment. The name of the assignment is line, and you're going to hit save. We can see right here, our file has been named. In the future, when you want to open your file, so let's say we had to start again tomorrow, we're going to go up to this little button up here, which is open from web, and then we're going to select that same assignment, Aktosh Daniel line assignment. From here, we are going to use the line tool. So I'm going to type in the command line, L-I-N-E, enter, and we're going to start writing out our name. So I'm going to write Daniel. When you want to end a line, you press spacebar. It's the same thing as pressing enter. It will end the command. I now have no tool active. I can see that in my command bar down here. There's no tool active. But when I press spacebar again, it's going to repeat the last command. So if I press spacebar, the line tool is now active again because that was the last command that I used. All right, I'm going to keep writing my name. I'm going to press spacebar to end the command, spacebar to repeat the last command, and keep doing that until I have my name written out. Perfect. The next thing I need to do is know how to zoom and pan. To zoom, it's as simple as using the scroll wheel. I'm zooming out and zooming in. I'm rolling the scroll wheel on my mouse. If I want to pan is moving up, down, left, and right. I'm going to hold the mouse wheel button in as if it was a button, and it allows me to move around the model space. So next, I need to write my name much smaller. So I'm going to zoom in below where I've written my name, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to write my last name. I'm not zoomed in enough. I can always zoom in more. If I need to relocate myself, I'm going to hold in the middle mouse button. Again, I'm pressing spacebar to repeat the last command. Perfect. Now I need to point two arrows to the origin. This is the origin. This is location 0, 0. You can think of the whole model space as a grid, as a coordinate system, and where the X and Y meet is our 0, 0 location. Perfect. The last thing that I need to do is I need to make sure that I have the line tool active down here. So I could type in line, and now I have the line tool active. I am ready to take a screenshot of my screen. Remember, we press the PS button on the keyboard. We're going to drag from the top left down to the bottom right. We have to include the date and the time in our screenshot. And that's going to save to our screenshots folder, which is inside of our pictures folder, which is inside of our documents. That is what you need to submit for credit for this assignment to Canvas. Don't forget, we always have to save our work. So I'm going to type in the command save to web, enter. And I'm just going to hit save again, and it's going to overwrite that previous version. It's going to say, "Are you want to replace it?" We're going to hit yes. And I'm done.